Warburtons is a family-owned business, started in 1876 in a single store. We're now currently in our 5th generation leadership.
We've got 11 bakeries up and down the country, supported by a further 15 depots, baking and delivering around 2 million products, and we get them out to about 18,000 customers every day.
The biggest thing that we always concentrate on is quality and freshness of our products for customers.
We've been working with NTT on a couple of CX projects, SAP Commerce Cloud and SAP Retail Execution. We chose SAP's Retail Execution ahead of quite a lot of strong competition. We saw that it was easy to use, could be integrated well within our ERP system, would be flexible for us to use long term. Of course, it had the features we needed, like dynamic visit planning and real-time analytics. It's a cloud-based mobile solution hosted by SAP, so we know it's going to stay up to date and current.
The key deliverables for the project were firstly to try and engage much better with the 5,500 eligible customers that are non-EDI. The other thing we had to do was make sure that the website that we were building was mobile enabled, so that our customers, wherever they are in the shop, they could quite easily make adjustments themselves without having the need to phone into the local site to do that.
The application allows us to plan customer visits more efficiently, spending less time preparing and planning what they might visit, more time focusing on what will happen during that visit.
We were having over 2,000 phone calls a day for our customers to phone in to adjust, but now because the customers are doing that themselves, those phone calls have dropped to less than 100, and out of the 100 there's probably 40 to 50 that are customers phoning up to adjust their orders. So it's had a huge impact on both customer efficiency and Warburtons efficiency too.
We chose to work with NTT DATA Business Solutions. Due to our growing relationship with them, they've become our support partner, and they were rapidly increasing their knowledge of how Warburtons works, and also their relationships with other FMCG companies as well. They clearly demonstrated a very strong product knowledge around Sales Cloud and Retail Execution.
They know our business, they know our systems, they're fully integrated into the SAP. We felt that they were a really good fit with our business because they knew us so well, and it felt like a really smooth transition from the start of the project through to the end.
The team fell in love with the SAP solution. It was incredibly well demonstrated by NTT. They got a passion for the product, and because they were learning a bit about us at the time and knowing more about Warburtons and what we were trying to do, they were able to sort of really tailor what they were showing us to our needs. And they've been able to walk us through the process and kept us fit to standard and use the original features of the system rather than trying to heavily bespoke it. By sticking with standard, we just got to a place where we can use the features, we can change what's there ourselves with limited sort of help and assistance from NTT going forward, so we've been quite self-sufficient. If we've got new business objectives for the coming year, we can update the system to match and work with that.
One of the ambitions of the project was to make Warburtons the easiest bakery company to work with, and I absolutely think we've achieved that. Overwhelmingly, the feedback from all our customers has been phenomenal, been really well done.